Chat, was this toe? This look kind of this looks kind of crazy. It has some what's face, but no toes. Jeez, man, it's angry. Fail army. Wait, holy shit, fail army.
Ew.
I remember what it is like 10 years ago, dude. Or whatever.
Ah! Did the duck got
How old is this video? This year. Jesus!
Oh no, 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 no. Oh my God. Get out! He sees it. He sees it. Look at him. Oh my God.
Is it a hammer shark? Guys, are these like dangerous?
Was that clown video hitting you a bit too close to home?
Jesus. That's a classic.
Alrighty, here we go. 1, and 2, 3. Jesus Christ Almighty! Snakes! Jesus Christ! I think we got a garfish.
Skip 741 72. Got it. I'll skip it.
Careful, Evan. Oh my God! That's a big gator, buddy. That is a big gator.
Jesus. These monkeys are crazy, dude. Oh, what did they see? What did they see? Oh, we can't see it. Jesus. Yeah, monkeys are kind of crazy sometimes. They scare me a bunch.
Oh.
Cool, man.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Gotta be careful here.
That's a whole ass gator. How fast are they on land? Is there any connoisseur of gators, dude? If they decide to run after you on land, how fast can they go?
Well, that puts an end to my tarpon fishing.
Oh shit. 20 mph? Huh?
Get back.
Oh, down a lot of stamina.
Now, when you're playing with lions, it's important to never show fear.
Oh, good one, dude. What is this? It looks like a dinosaur. Oh, is that a baby moose? Oh, poor horse, dude. Jesus.
Come on, keep kicking him. Oh, I'm so glad I was recording that.
Got like a big stick or something.
Fucking xQcOW.
Big stick.
heavy, whatever it is. That is not a stick. Oh my god, that's not a stick at all. Holy sh! Holy!
My link.
Oh my lord! Holy moly! Wow, that changes things.
Hey!
Oh no. A bear?
Hey! 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 Hey!
Jesus.
Hey!
That horse did not have the capacity.
Yeah, I forgot my skip at 7 whatever.
Shaddy! There's an octopus eating a crab!
Okay, so what? How is he even gonna kill it though? Oh, I get it now.
Holy
I'm not
Okay.
gonna bug you. I'm going away. I promise I'm not gonna bug you.
Oh,
I'm not gonna bug you. I'm
we
going
saw one of
away.
those last time. These
I'm
are
going
so
away.
scary,
I'm
dude.
going away. I'm going away. I'm not gonna bug you.
The mountain lions or whatever?
I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away.
He could break right through that glass. Leave it alone.
I have a gun.
What? So dumb, dude.
I'm walking backwards on the trail back to the camp.
Okay, that is huge. Holy shit! Dude,
So I am continually to walk backwards.
look at the chunk, dude. And it's got
Mom,
kids
the
too.
cubs keep following
That's really bad.
me and are walking at least as fast as I am.
Oh shit, I was supposed to skip, right? 7 what to what to what? 41 to 50. And bang. Oh, it was this on last time. This one's crazy.
No! Get the f away! Go away! Go away! No! No! You, dude! Holy... Yeah, get the f away from me!
That's really scary. Jesus.